Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create a Wi-Fi hotspot on your Windows 10 PC. Earlier it was done using tools, but now Windows has made an inbuilt Wi-Fi hotspot tool inside your PC, so you can easily create a Wi-Fi hotspot. Let's see how it's done. First of all, click on Start menu, then click on this gear-like icon. Once the settings panels open up, now click on network and internet. Okay, now look in the left menu, there is one option saying mobile hotspot. Just click on mobile hotspot. By default it's off. This is the section with which you can create a Wi-Fi hotspot. You have to turn it on. Just turn it on. Now your Wi-Fi is on, but this is your SSID and this is your password. You can change your default SSID or password with whatever name you wish to, okay, and whatever password you wish, and you click on save. So now try connecting your mobile or any other device with this network name and network password. Just connect to this SSID using this password and connect it to it. It is saying device connected is 0 of 8. No device is still connected. Once I'll connect my mobile to it, it will start showing the device is connected and it will start operating. So this is how you can easily create Wi-Fi hotspot. So if you like the video, do please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll keep coming up with more important updates like this. Thank you guys for watching.